Ever wondered how thousands of fresh sun-ripened tomatoes transform into that perfect bottle of ketchup on your table? Today, we're taking you inside a high-tech industrial facility to witness the precision, the heat, and the massive scale of tomato processing. From sorting to sealing, this is the science of the squeeze. Let's dive into the flow, right here on Flow Lab.
This state-of-the-art harvester gently collects the ripe Roma tomatoes, ensuring perfect quality from field to factory.
We use modern techniques, but it's the rich soil and the sun that give them this incredible color and taste.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the tomatoes undergo a vigorous wash to ensure perfect cleanliness.
To achieve that perfect balance, we carefully blend the finest salt, sugar, and onion powder into the swirling crimson sauce.
The alignment looks flawless on this run.
Absolutely, the speed optimization is quite impressive today.
Every day, this truck brings the vibrant harvest from the fields, navigating the bustling city to deliver the perfect tomato.
Ok, dale despacio. Sigue derecho.
Aquí está bien, alto.
Experience the ultimate pairing, crispy golden fries and our signature thick, rich ketchup.
Sourced from the finest tomatoes, this vibrant red ketchup provides the perfect balance to our crispy, golden fries.
Steam rises from the perfectly golden fry, showcasing the hyper-realistic texture and the vibrant red of our signature ketchup.
In our state-of-the-art facility, the ketchup is applied in a precise zigzag pattern, ensuring consistent flavor in every bite.
Here you go, buddy. Pass that to your mom.
Thanks, Dad. Mom, ketchup.
Oh, perfect. Right in time for this burger.
This is so good.
From the factory to the table and now to the curb, this glass container represents the circular journey of sustainable food packaging.
Farm fresh.
Pure, vibrant, and 100% natural. The taste of real tomatoes in a clean factory environment.
From a tiny seedling the journey begins. Nurtured by the earth, the plant reaches for the sun,